What's up everyone, my name is Kuhn. I'm a software engineer at HP, and this is a Cup of Java Programming, the series where I teach you the Java programming language. Today, we're going to learn about identifiers, types, and variables, which are a key fundamental of computer science. An identifier is basically a name for a variable, or the name of a method, which we'll talk about later. And a variable is basically a storage unit for data. You can hold words or numbers in a variable. So let me show you an example of how this really works in programming. So we're going to open up our editor. Last time I used IntelliJ, this time I'm going to use Eclipse. It's the exact same thing. And so now we're going to go and create a new file. So let's go right click, new, class, which is the same thing as a Java file. And for the name, we can call this anything like variable test. Okay? Let's put this one on the next line. Let's come in here and make our main method like we did before. Public static void main string args. Okay, here's our brackets. So we're going to come in here and we're going to create our first variable. So string name equals Roman inside quotation marks. And then we're going to inline the semicolon. And now we're going to create another variable. Int age equals 17. Now, if you remember in the Hello World program, we did system.out.println hello world. Okay? And then we went up to run and hit run, it printed out hello world to the console. Now, since we have a variable that holds words in it, our variable name, we can do this. Check this out. Instead of hello world, we can put name. So since we put name inside of here and they both hold words, we can hit run and then boom, Roman pops up. Isn't that pretty awesome? Sweet. So now let's break down this code. So this is basically how you declare and initialize a variable to a value. Every variable in Java is initialized by putting a type, in this case string, which holds words, then an identifier afterwards. The identifier is the name of the variable. In this case, it is name. After this, we put an equal sign and whatever words we want our variable to contain inside these quotation marks. Now that you know how to make a variable that holds words, let's break down this next line. Similarly, we'll start by giving the data type, int, which holds integers. Then, we put our equal sign and set our variable equal to the number we want. And now for a glimpse of what we're going to do in the future, check this out. So inside of the system.out.println, we can put hello world, my name is, and then a plus, and then our name variable, plus, and I am plus age plus years old. Then we can hit run, and it says, hello world, my name is Rowan and I'm 17 years old. That's enough for today. Today we learned what an identifier is, the data types of string, which holds words, and int, which holds integers. We also learned how to initialize a variable to a value and how to print out that value to the screen. Stay tuned for the next episode where I cover operators and how to put these variables to use. I'm Kuhn. This is a Cup of Java Programming. Thanks so much for watching.